Hi everybody, Mr. C here with a problem that's very similar to one found on page 41 of our Singapore Math textbook 5A. Okay, I actually have made a video similar to this already, but I noticed in the comments to that video that somebody had solved it another way, which I really liked, and so I'm going to show that way. Okay, so here we go. Evan has 3 times as many Pokemon cards as Brooke. Isabella has 20 fewer cards than Brooke, and altogether they have 280 Pokemon cards. How many cards does Evan have? Okay, so the first thing I want to do, obviously, is I want to draw my bar model. I'm going to start drawing with Brooke because I will use that to help me draw Evan's, right? Evan's is 3 times as many as Brooke. So here's an E for Evan. Here's it's a messy E, sorry about that. And B for Brooke. And I'm going to give Brooke a block like that, okay? So since Evan has 3 times as many as Brooke, I can give Evan a similar block, but I'm going to make 3 of them because he has that block 3 times, right? So far, so good? Okay, now Isabella. Isabella has fewer than Brooke, so I will make a block for Isabella, but it's going to be shorter than Brooke's because she has fewer, right? She's got the least. And I know that all together they have 280 cards. Now, what I would love to do is I would love to take 280 and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, but I can't because this block, Isabella's, is not the same size, right? When you divide, you need to divide evenly. So, how can I make Isabella's block the same size? I can kind of pretend to give her 20 because we were told that she has 20 fewer. So here's 20 that Isabella doesn't actually have. But in order to give myself even size blocks, I'm going to kind of loan her those 20. They're not really there. I'm just kind of pretending that they're there. Okay? Once I've done that, I now have 5 equal blocks. Did I say 4 before? 5 equal blocks, right? And the total number with those 20 isn't 280 anymore. The total would be 300. Okay? So, now that I have a total number of 300 with those 20, I can do 300 divided by 5. We can use our mental math. Do I know 30 divided by 5? Yes. 30 divided by 5 is 6, so 300 divided by 5 would be 60, correct? So that means each of these big blocks is 60, and Isabella's is not 60, but all of that with those 20 would be 60, and so if I take away that 20, Isabella would actually have 40, right? She doesn't have those 20. Nevertheless, I can answer my question because the question is asking me, how many cards does Evan have? Evan has 3 blocks, each with 60. 3 times 6 is 18, so 3 times 60 is 180. Okay, so Evan has 180 cards. And we're done. See ya.